So today I'm doing a quick review on a product called Magnetify. Now this is a simple training product and it's literally just revealing a kind of a hack, if you like, or a system, a tried and proven system to get traffic to your affiliate links. Now the easiest way to make money online is by having an affiliate link and traffic that goes to that affiliate link, traffic that converts. That's really important. So it can't just be like clicks and stuff, because you want the person who's been brought to that affiliate link to be interested in what the affiliate link is going to give them. And that's the secret to making money. So Magnetify, and I'm going to show you the sales page in a second here, is a simple training program that's going to show you a system that the guys have been testing to get a ton of traffic to their affiliate links. Now this isn't ultra targeted traffic, to be fair, but what it is volume. You get a lot of traffic and it's very, very simple to set up. 3 clicks and you're ready to go. And this can be automated. Also inside the training I've just gone through there, and there is a way that you can 100x your amount of traffic, 100x. And you can also do all of this on autopilot, and they show you how to do that as well. So let me take you over to the sales page briefly now so you can get a feel for what this is all about. So it's called Magnetify, and it says here, use Magnetify to instantly get any link in front of a flood of ultra-targeted visitors across every niche. Discuss this 3-click system. So, I mean, yeah, it is targeted. I'm just saying it's not, I wouldn't say it was ultra-targeted, but that doesn't matter because this works and it's the volume. So it's literally you're firing a ton of traffic at your money links. Now, I remember when someone had a training course once and they mentioned the word money link, and I'm thinking, well, what is my money link? I don't know what my money link is. Your money link is your affiliate link, all right? Your affiliate link is where you want to get the traffic to, and your affiliate link could be for any program. For example, if you got Magnetify, you might want to promote Magnetify as an example, okay? So it says, discover the 3-click system that lets us exploit a hidden traffic shortcut, earning us $472.57 every 19 hours on complete autopilot. Now, I just want to be completely transparent here. When figures like these are put on a sales page, that is typically to make the sales page more appealing. I don't actually know why. I don't know what the science is behind an exact figure, because in reality, you know that you're not going to make $472.57 exactly every single exactly 19 hours. But this is a system for putting together a headline on a sales page. Suffice to say, what you will do is make money every, I don't know, X amount of hours, but I guess on a daily basis using this system, because it is very, 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 very simple. All right, so it says multiply your traffic by 100x while putting in only 1/100th of the effort. No experience necessary, no tech savvy required, no purchasing link, no list building, no website needed. No on-camera appearances, no client management. All we require is a mere 20 minutes of your day. And literally, this will be set up. The videos inside the members area are short. Now, I'm not going to show you inside the members area because, to be fair to the creators, who are my good friends Fergal, Max, and their business partner in this launch, Stephanie, if I showed you inside the members area, that's going to give you a kind of indication to some of the secrets that they're going to be revealing, because you can see that in the modules, all right? So I can't show you that wouldn't be fair. But suffice to say, they're short videos. I mean, some of them are less than a minute long. This is really, really easy to get set up. And then once it's set up, it literally just rolls on so that you get paid on autopilot. So if we look at my review page here, I've taken this, I've put this headline together after going through the product. And it says set up in just 3 clicks, then watch it pull in $500 per day on autopilot. And it's released to the public for the first time ever, and you can get started within a few minutes. Now, traffic is what we need. It's like, if you've got traffic and you've got an affiliate link, it's hard to go wrong. All right, so, and you don't need to be doing anything. You don't need to be creating with this system. You don't need to be creating reviews or have a website or anything. You just need that affiliate link, and that's dead easy to get. You go to a site like Munchai, you go through the list of offers that are on a daily basis, 10 or 15 a day. You take a look at the ones that you like the look of, those that attract you, those that you get you excited, and then you go and get your affiliate link. and you plug it into this system, and then that's it. You're done, you know. And you can do that as many times as you want. Obviously, you're going to change the offers and choose different stuff to promote. So if you do get this through me, as always, I've got a massive bonus bundle. You'll be able to see here the percentage of bonus bundles remaining. And if you come down here, you can see the full list of bonuses. So there's a huge list of bonuses there that you're going to get completely free. They are all ready and waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. So all you need to do is click on this button here to go through to the sales page. When you're on the sales page, you're going to click on the buy button, which will then, because this hasn't gone live yet, it's just about to go live. So you'll click on that, and when you get through to the next page on the checkout cart, you just want to go, and that's the page where it's got the price, all right? So it had the price for $12.95 on the right-hand side. At the bottom of the checkout cart, there's a little round person icon right at the bottom next to the words Powered by Warrior Plus. So just hover over that round person icon. If you see the name Trevor C, then you know you're cookied to me, and you'll get all of those bonuses instantly for free. All right, so you don't want to miss out on that. So that is Magnetify. This is just a short video because it's such a simple concept. It really is, and you'll see from the sales video that it's a simple concept. This is one of those things where Fergal has been working in the background once again to find something that works, comes up with something that works, and reveals it, releases it to the public for the first time ever. So this is going to get you a ton of traffic to whichever affiliate link you want, and that's how you make affiliate commissions without doing any of the usual hard work, like building a list and doing social media posting and doing review videos and all that kind of stuff. This is the simplest way. It's a surefire way to get simple results and to make money fast as an affiliate. All right, so that's Magnetify. Go and pick that up through my link and you'll get those bonuses. If you've got any questions, as always, please do let me know. In the meantime, I wish you and yours all the very best. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. All the best.